make me some spaghetti and I'm gonna help her.
Oh, it's a ground beef.
Okay.
And
Cheese and onions.
the garlic. Okay, we're gonna chop this garlic first. Also, you can add a little bit of salt in the boiling water
Yeah.
before you add the pasta. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Okay. Show them the pasta now.
Oh, that looks so stringy.
Stringy. Since we don't have a meatballs or something,
Yeah.
it's better to use hot dog.
Yeah, they're cheesy.
This is the only available hot dog in our refrigerator, so we're gonna use it. So Mauricio wants a sticky cheese on top of the spaghetti, as always. So tapos ang aming
Some
ingredients. We're ready. A bit of oil, and then we're going to saute this onion first. Oil, then some garlic. Just put the fire on medium heat. It's gonna burn your onion and the garlic. Pag medyo brown na siya ng konti, add ground pork. I used to cover it so it's easy to cook. Then I'll just stir it later. Okay, while waiting, come on, let's do some exercise. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Make sure cook na yung beef. Then you add the hot dog because hot dog is already cooked. Just add the hot dog. And you're done. Okay. Yeah. With some salt. I used to put in salt. Add a little bit of fish sauce. Then stir it. Cover it a little bit. Just add the sauce and you're ready. Dalawang gamit ko kasi mas gusto ng mga bata maraming sauce. Ayan. It's easy. Less than 30 minutes you can cook this. Mas gusto ko na itong mabilisan for a working mom like me. Mabilisan ang pagluluto. Yan, ubos ko na yan. Ihalo ko lang yan. On top of that is the mozzarella. So it's done. I'm gonna pour this pasta.
You need like something.
Yeah, I need
Oh yeah,
here.
that.
I have here.
Then put that pasta into the sauce.
Hindi ko masyadong niluluto ang spaghetti.
Look at the spaghetti. She's mixing it so the pasta can have flavor.
Yes. Hindi ko masyadong niluluto yung pasta kasi minimix ko na siya dito sa sauce habang niluluto ko pa siya. And then, yan. Yan mga kaibigan. Luto na ang aming homemade spaghetti. Tapos,
here's the homemade spaghetti. Ooh, that's looking so good. And then add some cheese.
cheese on top while it's still hot.
Here's the cheese on the spaghetti.
It's mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
Gusto kasi nila creamy. So, yan.
Yeah, I really like creamy
I
spaghetti.
add some mozzarella cheese. So, the spaghetti is ready. Takpan ko lang.
Since the spaghetti is done, let's try it out.
Okay, yay!
So good!
Okay, now it's done. Okay, come on.
I am ready for my yummy spaghetti.
Oh,
That looks so good.
so stretchy. This is Mom's favorite spaghetti. Stretchy.
Stretchy cheese.
Oh,
I say
my
so
goodness.
myself.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks so good.
So good.
Show them. So refreshing.
Refreshing. You haven't even tasted it yet.
Yeah, it looks so. Oh. Okay. Let's try it.
It's hot, be careful. How's the taste, Mom?
So good. Really good.
Okay.
Better than Jollibee's spaghetti.
More than?
Ooh, that's so stretchy. Careful. Okay.
Tapos na. Papasok na naman. Ready to work. Ang bilis. Oh. I love my shirt. Made by Gina. Ang dami niya itong binibenta. Napakaganda. May mga orders pa nga. Okay. Yan. Bina, can you show this? Bye, Mom. I'm leaving for work.
Bye, Mama. Thanks for the yummy spaghetti.
Oh, yeah.
It was so...
Oh, you're so welcome. Bye, kiss. Kiss. Ah. Bye. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Thanks for the yummy spaghetti.
Oh, you're so welcome. Okay mga kaibigan, babay na muna. Papasok na muna ako. Kailangan kumayod. So, ito, ahatid ako ng asawa ko. Ang aking driver, sweet lover. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Bye!